Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rotten fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Hello. Welcome back. It is Thursday, September 28th. Are you geared up for Moontober? Are you geared up for Uptober? Guys, the crypto market is up maybe 2-3% up from the average of 1.05 trillion. We're at 1.07 trillion. People are throwing all kinds of crazy rally theories out there. We're going to get all into it. But before we do, it is hard finding crypto enthusiasts like you. Please hit that subscribe. It does help the channel out. It grows the gang, and we're trying to grow a big goon gang here. So come join the goons, smoke that like button, as well as hit that subscribe. All right, guys, let's get right into the market. Let me share my screen. Boom. Alrighty. Hey, Anthony Williams in the house. Good evening, goons. Please smoke that like button. And we got Red Sox. What's going on, Red Sox? We're going to make it all back with WAGME, I hear. The NFTs are out or something. You got to fill us all in. So, guys, as I was saying, 2% up. People are rallying like crazy. Everyone's like, oh, this is it. October, Moontober, whatever you want to call it. It is a rally indeed. 27K BTC is currently trading at. And I have very selective news articles that are really going to talk about the future of BTC and what needs to happen to actually see this number grow. But a rally is nonetheless a nice relief after, the downtrending days we had. You guys didn't see me yesterday. It was my wife's birthday. I had already informed the goons, no stream yesterday. But even yesterday was pretty much the same, right? No real relief in mind. And now we're getting some positive price action. Does it mean, hey, this is it, we're going to go up from here? The fear and greed index still shows we're in this, gaining traction towards that neutral territory, but the fear is still there. So that is the main thing. Do not fall for these crazy bull traps that may come in. And if I'm wrong, then man, a lot of analysts are going to be wrong, and that's going to be a big hit for everyone across the board in the entire crypto space. Sub Teddy and the goons, my crypto pie. William, what's going on, crypto pie? Nice to see you, buddy. I dropped something here, trying to find it. Can't find it. All right, we continue on. So that was the global crypto market cap. As you guys know, we got to look at the heat map. As expected, we did drop down on dominance. We're around 48, 49 today, really hugging 48.9. But that is expected. BTC price went up a little, positive market sentiment. Some of the money flowed back into alts, but I do expect the money to come back into the dominance to come back to BTC as this price action drops. Usually BTC's dominance goes up as the price goes down. And even if the price action goes up, it's always a positive thing regardless of dominance. So just keep that in mind. Almost everything across the board, heat map wise, we never see this, shows green, right? So we're very happy to see that. Most of the reds appear to be exchange tokens. Shout out to Bone, got that healthy retracement, right? Healthy retracement, Teddy. It's healthy retracement. Okay, buddy. Whatever you got to tell yourself, I say. Oh my God. I love you guys. I really do. You have no idea. All right. So Pepe, I have very interesting article as well. We'll talk about Pepe. 16% up on the day. People are like, oh, this is it. We're going to make it all back. Pepe's getting the rally. Why? What is Pepe doing that needs the rally now? Guess what? It's the community coming together, shilling, getting people in. But unfortunately, I don't think it's enough positive shilling to keep that trend going up. So we will talk about Pepe during the charts as well. But shout out to everyone that are blue chips carriers. We're seeing positive sentiment across the board. And really, Arbitrum, Arbitrum, Arbitrum. I keep reiterating, we talked about Arbitrum at 76 cents. Go back. We are goons. We've been watching Arbitrum for quite some time, guys. Like, this should not be, oh my God, I didn't get in. Literally, why not? We've been talking about it for how long? So, Arbitrum, 76 cents. It is now 90 cents. If you're at this point of taking profits, you got to take your profits, guys. Hey, we got SK in the house. What's going on, SK? We're just shouting out Arbitrum heat map. Even with the fear, we're getting wins like this. I know Red Sox had told us about stacks. We're still in on stacks, still in, right? It's tradable on Coinbase. Very positive price action for stacks as well. And it's really a very positive day for these alts, and I'm very impressed to see this much higher than BTC or ETH. I would expect 2% increase, but we're talking 20%, 10% almost on Arbitrum side. And as I said, biggest losers. I saw a lot of exchange tokens on earlier. That seems to have fizzled out now. I see small retracement happening on Pepe, but Pepe had a relative positiveness. Let me just go to 7-day over the last 7 days. You see how high up this has gone? It's a 20% increase in the last 7 days. So when you consider where Pepe has made it to, okay, that's great. This is great to see, but unfortunately, I don't know if this is going to be the ultimate reversal that the community is intending it to be. I personally do not feel it will be. But we'll talk about that during the chart. So I want to talk about crypto futures, crypto futures, crypto futures. We have been seeing Ethereum futures being so positive regardless of the market sentiment. For Bitcoin, we have seen Bitcoin shorts go up when the market was bearish, and we have seen the shorts go down when the market was bullish, right? Shorts meaning, hey, the market price action is going to be going down, right? But for Ethereum, it had held on to that steady 70% percent long, 40%, 30% short for quite some time. And I was just like, why is there so much positive action for Ethereum? Right? Well, I don't want to say like something don't add up, but something don't add up, right? Bitcoin price action, relatively following the same price action as Ethereum, has real shorts at the same time frame. We check this every day. At the same time, BTCs ends up being, maybe 64-35, right? While Ethereum consistently 70-30. Everyone's so bullish about Ethereum. Why? Why? Right? So one of the crazy things, especially in the news segment, we're going to see is there are exchanges that got approved to trade Ethereum futures, and they're buying up futures contracts. And my theory is maybe these guys proactively assume this and were already buying futures contracts even before the initial approval. So I felt like, hey, maybe that's why the Ethereum contracts, especially for those longs, were being bought up so quickly. Now we're seeing that price action. Things are finally adding up. We're seeing that 44%, much heavier short, right? People are now actually feeling bearish on Ethereum. And we hadn't seen this throughout the entire month, guys. The entire month, not a single change to the Ethereum, shorts. And now, right, as soon as they get the approval of, hey, you guys can now purchase Ethereum shorts, the price, the ratio for the shorts is now 44%. It just don't add up. My main positions are XDC, XRP, XLM, and HBAR. Shout out to Keith. What's going on, Keith? Nice to see you. Blockchain Buzz, shout out to you, bro. How are things? I've been seeing. Congratulations on 2,000 followers. I've been seeing you coming strong, buddy. But unfortunately, they got me shadow banned on Twitter. I just cannot seem to be gaining momentum with these comments like you do. So I'm going to have to change up my strategy or something. But that's primarily what I had for the market. Let me just quickly go over to the news because as I was hinting, lot of news. So what is behind the 16% Pepe price recovery? As I've shown you guys, the Pepe is really up 20% on the 7 days. And will it continue? In short, no, it is not going to continue. There is nothing in Pepe that is asking for this price action to go up. One, market sentiment is going down. Two, there is no utility. Three, the devs are out. There's other spin-off tokens coming off Pepe. There's no reason to still have a Pepe. Like let's take Shiba Inu. Like, Shiba Inu before the Shibarium release, it was very rare we were getting um Shiba Inu's price action to rally back up. We would have pumps, of like 5, 10, 15% daily, maybe over a week it added up 20% day positive. But you go back to Shiba Inu's chart, which I will just show you right now. And let's say we go to the last 7 days, it really don't show too much, but this is a token with utility, right? Has utility, great ecosystem, everyone says it, but completely different chart in the last 7 days versus Pepe in the last 7 days. So what's causing Pepe's chart to go up? Nothing. Literally nothing. No utility, no devs, straight community. Is community enough for you guys to put all your marbles in on Pepe? That's the question you got to ask yourself, right? So, when we talk about the 16% Pepe price recovery, that's literally what we're talking about. Congrats, blockchain buzz. There we go, guys. That's literally what it is. And even Anthony Williams, shout out to Anthony Williams, had told me, hey, Teddy, there's another Pepe coming out from the Pepe team, and it's got all the original Pepe admins. It makes you question what is actually going on with Pepe and what's causing the 16% price increase. So, guys, don't pay attention to the numbers. Pay attention to your feelings. Something ain't feeling right. There's nothing here. And you can read through the article. They try to drum up on like, hey, it's blah, blah, blah. It's nothing. There's no reason for this token to be up other than community. So as I was saying, ETFs and Ethereum ETFs, Valkyrie. So Valkyrie, an asset manager, was approved to convert its existing Bitcoin futures, right? I'm sorry, their Ethereum futures contracts. They were approved to actually get them and start buying them up. And guess what? All of a sudden, as soon as this approval comes in, we see the futures dip on the Ethereum side 55.44. That's what don't make sense. Teddy, does this mean we should buy back Pepe? If it's at a 20% increase on the day, I personally don't buy back now. And I'll even show you on the charts thing when we go in just a few minutes here, that potentially, if I'm looking to get in, I'm looking at to DCA on a red candle. I know it's retraced a little bit right now, maybe 0.5%, but as of right now, it's still up 20% week over the week. So is the bottom in on Pepe? And if it is, then you buy in. If you don't believe the bottom is in, then you still wait. There's still a lot more bleeding to do. And we will talk about it too. So is the Ethereum winter over? Layer 2 exploding. ETH futures ETF launches hinting on the Valkyrie, and as well as layer 2 like Arbitrum, layer 2, Shibarium, layer 2. Are these guys going to explode now that it's Uptober? It's October. Teddy, this is Moontober. We're going to make it all back in October. That's what they want you to believe. There is no reason. Teddy, do you think projects like Pepe will go crazy in the bull market? Hits or not so much? It will go crazy in the bull market only because everything else is going crazy in the bull market. What it'll come down to is how much upswing are you going to have in the bull market? Meaning, if you put 27K in Bitcoin now and you have one BTC, in the bull market, it goes up. I'm just using small numbers here. It goes to like 100K. You made 70 grand. Now you put 27K in a token like Pepe, and by the time the bull market comes out, what price are you going to be before that bull market takes off? So now I'm going to use a token we're all familiar with, like Saitama, right? We all know Saitama. We're big Saitama Moon boys. We've been there since the beginning. 7.6 billion market cap, right? When that investment came in and you invest at a market cap that currently of Shiba Inu or Doge, you go, okay, this is going to be a great investment. This 27K in the bull run is going to take off. But what happens in the bear run when your value of your 27K drops 90%? You now went from 27K while waiting for this bull run to come in to 2.7K. While if you had left it on Bitcoin, maybe you dropped to 20K, maybe you dropped to 15K, right? But now this 27,000, it's a much higher risk, right? Way higher risk when it comes to pepe versus Bitcoin. The same 27K would give you a much higher risk on pepe than Bitcoin. So when people go, hey, is the bull run going to cause pepe to go parabolic? Yeah, it's going to go parabolic, but are you going to get your 90% back? Are you going to get back to 27,000 or are you going to wait for the bull run where your 27,000's on BTC and hope it go to 70K? These are the decisions that are going through when you're assessing that meme environment. So now let's change Pepe to Shiba Inu or Doge, which has utility, which has things. Are those projects going to also deteriorate in value? Are they going to lose 90% of their cost of your investment? You know, if we consider a token like Saitama that went to 7.6 billion, you put in 96,000 there, and now it's worth $960, if not less, right? Maybe $100 at this point. If the bull run comes in, is your Saitama going to get you back your 27,000? You got to use math. You got to use reasoning. You have to understand what's actually going on. Cryptola, what's going on? Welcome to the Goons, sir. We are chilling out, just reviewing what's going on in the news. And really, the L2 explosion, we talked about Arbitrum, we talked about Shibarium, a lot of adoption going on. Adoption comes in, obviously it's better for Ethereum, right? So the transactions are going up, a lot of piggybacking off of Ethereum's positiveness, and even continuation of Ethereum's technology, because guys, they really are going for renewable. They don't want to be the BTC where we're just wasting energy. But guess what? BTC wasting energy is old news, buddy. A lot of these miners, a lot of these guys are already progressing to renewable energy to sustain mining, but it is very hard to have people grasp that crypto is not completely an energy waste. And that's usually what those Ethereum maxis throw out at you. So very happy to see these types of articles, especially when Arbitrum's doing so well, as well as other layer twos increasing in transactions. It is expected, but is the winter over? Probably not. And we will talk about that as well in BTC to crash to 20K before halving. Expect parabolic rally after, right? So what they did is, I've already gone through this entire article. You guys, save your time, save your money. Rect Capital came out with a great YouTube video. I've sat through all 8 minutes. You don't have to, but the only main takeaway, other than what I already tell you as goons, is really the time frames, right? The 74 bars, 78 bars, and how many more bars we need till we get to the next cycle. So they talk about the bull run coming in after the halvings, and how long it took them to get to that bull run. So this bar after the halving ended up being 74 bars, and this bar at 2019 ended up being 78 bars. So now we know the halvings at the end of 2020 through early 2024. We can assume that the next bull cycle, based on historical trends, is going to be somewhere in the middle of September, um, 2025. And you can read this article all you want looking for 2025. They ain't going to tell you 2025. But realistically, if you watch the YouTube video, 2025 is where they're expecting the next peak for BTC to come in. So we're going to be holding a long time. I'm going to be with you for a long time, and we're going to grow the gang. How many people going to be watching in 2025? Write your predictions below. Oh my god. Oh my god. But yes, I finally understand the 20K crash that needed to happen is because historically they've had a crash um of much more before takeoff. So that's exactly what these guys are trying to say. Hey, that crash is going to give that entry point for investors to come in, get a nice relief from that 20K, and literally that's going to be that parabolic momentum forward. So I was very happy with their analysis and the indicators that they used to make this decision. I also can agree 2025 September, middle of September sounds like a good area to keep watch on. So yeah, that's literally what I had for the news. As I said, we're gonna go right into the charts because I really know most of you guys have the same question, which is Uptober, is Moontober gonna make it all back? And I'm here to tell you, boys. Unfortunately, we never gonna make it all back, even in October. I'm thinking 2025 as well now. So so we talked about this. We talked about the 0.618 level. We re-entered the 0.618 level. If we hold in this level, okay, I'm feeling very net neutral right now. What I want to see is not the break between the 0.618 level, but really I wanted to see the positive price action break the 0.786. Currently, I'm not seeing that. I think it was tested today, and this is a brand new day on this candle. So we didn't see it. We retraced, and now we start a new day. We're testing that 0.618 level again, but now we're seeing the positive price action, right? So truly, we went to the last period before this positive price action. We charted the last low and the last high. So I'm going to change this up because I think now this is outdated. We're seeing that positive price action. So I'm going to go back to this last low right here in this time frame. I'm going to go to the last high in this time frame. And when I do it in this fashion, considering the last low, right, in this current positive uptrend and the last high in this current positive uptrend, right, we are now in the 0.618 level yet again, much closer. But if we break the 0.786 and this continues up, that would be enough for me to say, hey, we're going to see a nice rally, and this is going to break 27,400. As of right now, 27,400 is our resistance, right? We have support at 2,667. That's where I said it. Fib retracement puts it at 26,7. So really not too bad. $100 here, $100 there. You're going to be fine. But right now, we are trading at that fib retracement at the 0.618 level. So this into this weekend is going to tell us what's going to happen to BTC for the next few days. If 0.618 does not hold, you see this dip, I would immediately assume another downtrend. If 0.618 does hold, we break 0.786, we break one, okay, fine. Rally comes in, everyone's feeling great. The bands are narrow on the Andean oscillator. Even the HARSI, we're creepily going up, and it ain't at the levels that I want it to be to say, hey, we're having nice positive price action. So that's literally it for BTC. And I've charted ETH as well. We're seeing that last time frame. That last time frame, we're at that 0.618 and really trying to test it on Ethereum also. 1531 is where Triple G indicator puts that level of support. I'm okay with 1531. I did 1543, but 1531 is completely acceptable because it is the last low we had previous to my mine. So very, very happy with Ethereum as well. And I will say that long candle did come in today. We are seeing it live. It is a long position that has came in, and that could help in that rally into October. And I think that is exactly what we're seeing. Keep in mind, when it came to BTC, that long position was in, but these bands are very narrow. So I assume Ethereum will have a similar impact, but Ethereum seems to be a mind of its own. So all we can do is monitor and hope 1669 is the level of resistance that we're going to test, and 1531 being the level of support. BNB, absolutely nothing going on. Same 204 to 225. We can't seem to be breaking this level. I just constantly feel like we keep coming back over and over again to the same BNB levels. And I'm at the point, Cody Core, what's going on, buddy? Teddy Triple G, smoke that like button. Yes, smoke that like button indeed. Cody, it has been great, sir. 3 months strong. You are the truest G. You, Miss Lauren, Tracy, all you guys, man. Without your support for the channel, the editor would be very sad. So I appreciate you guys. Helps the channel out. The biggest contribution, become a member. That is the way. And Cody has been there since the beginning. So XRP, and that's it for BNB, by the way. I'm just, you guys know, my entry point is under 200. 204 is the level of support. XRP. We're testing it, Teddy. We're gonna test it again, guys. We have tested this multiple times, and I always want it to break 51 cents, 51.51, right? That is what I needed to break. If 51.51 is not broken, I'm sorry, we're retracing. I put it at 44 cents, triple G indicator at 46. I still believe 44. So it's a matter of when in my eyes. I need that retracement to come in before this goes back up. Let me see what else I had. Shiba Inu. We talked about Shiba Inu compared to Pepe. The last 7 days of Shiba Inu, much different than the last 7 days of Pepe, right? Shiba Inu's last 7 days were up maybe a half, maybe 1%, while Pepe were up 20%, right? So completely two different charts, same meme category, two different charts. So that is the main takeaway. Why? Guys, the Andean oscillator for Shiba Inu has stayed for quite some time. There hasn't been any positiveness since the Shibarium launch to this token. We don't know anything that's going on in that ecosystem. People have told me Bones minted out, that's minted out. Where's Street at? That's literally, people are expecting the price action to move so quickly, when unfortunately the utility hasn't caught up to the price. I think once we have the utility that actually does positive price increase to whether it's Bone, Treat, Shib, She, Leash, there's so much now. It's like whatever LP pool you want to throw your money at, that's all you're relying on. Eventually this will grow. Yeah, you'll have the Safe Moon maps. You'll have the Safe Moon charts where it'll have its pumps and dumps, but right now it's been downtrending for a while, guys, and I do believe we're going to enter this area because that's where it's headed. We've been in this area before. This is really, I think, the 50848. Yeah. 50s. Yeah, 5048. That's literally 50% down from where you currently are. Or maybe 30 to 40%, but still not a good look when it comes to Shiba Inu, especially after having so much utility. Guess what, guys? This is basically confirmation to me. Utility doesn't mean anything when it comes to a token. So continuing on Dogecoin, we're seeing positive price action. Still Andean oscillator, still HAR size shows that bearish signal. So I'm still not positive on it. And now we got to talk about Pepe. It's having such a great rally. Why? No reason whatsoever, but that long position came in on the triple G indicator. It is showing a long position. When it comes to confirming that long position, Andean oscillator says no go. So we could be having another fake out like we did here, where a long position came in and we're like, hey, this is gonna be it, and then boom, we get wrecked with the short. So be very skeptical when it comes to Pepe, because I do believe history will repeat itself. especially when fake long. I mean, we could be here, but I highly doubt it. Um, before we see this price action dip down further. And really, I think that brings it down to 5019. So don't hate me if we go below lunch price, but it could happen. I think I saw Red Sox. Teddy, what do you think about Volt Inu with all these utilities? Crypto law, I have not done full research into Volt Inu since my last conversation with Voltoshi regarding Volti change and the benefits of Volti change, especially with the burning mechanism. Very great conversations there. Love the utility for Volt. Where Volt's price action currently is versus what's happening in the Volt, completely out of the loop. I need to refamiliarize myself with Pablo Crow and see really what's going on with Volt. But any insights you can give me, crypto law, I'll work off of to see and inform the goons that, hey, come look at Volt. This is what's going on here. Um, so yeah, bone. We saw a healthy price action, and then you see that retracement. I think this was expected. What caused this price action to go up was the news of the bone being minted out, and everyone was expecting treat or some news to come in about treat for the bone holders. Unfortunately, none of this information came out yet. Even I think Blockchain Buzz. Shout out to Keith. He's also tried to inform me about what's going on to treat, and it's just hard to find information. We need Shaitoshi to kind of refamiliarize himself with the roadmap and tell us how treat is going to work, because I had a hard time understanding treat's relationship with which is Shiba Inu's stable coin, and then bone, which was its rewards token now turned passport. I'm just completely out of the loop. Cody is a Volt guy as well. Awesome. So the goons are in crypto law. You need to tell us what's going on. Tell us. What is the next utility Voltoshi working on? Is it the metaverse? Is it another event? Is it I'm completely out of the loop. So whatever you tell me, I'm going off of. So yes, that's literally all I had for the chats, boys. We're gonna go from the chats. The chats. Teddy, I can't look at the chats to what's new. So what's new is a segment where we look at all the latest tokens on the Ethereum blockchain in the last hour that meet SK's filter criteria. Freaking Pepper's coming back, man. 14,000% up, 60 buys, 4 sells. What the heck? We were originally in a token called Pepper. So how it works in the last 1 hour, we're looking for fair trading volume. We're looking for minimum liquidity and our chain ID being Ethereum. And this is our filtered criteria. So from here, I usually look at high liquidity tokens and see what the volume is and see if this is EFUT. EFUT, are we getting in? Oh, dang, another all-time high. Maybe I should add this to our watch list. Let's get in. EFUT. We're going to make it all back with EFUT, Teddy. You'll see. All right. Go back. EFUT. OPPO. Only possible on Ethereum. Ethereum 100 liquidity. Only possible on Ethereum. What the heck is this only possible on Ethereum? Did someone say this phrase? Pepe C coin? Pepe C coin. Yo, what is this only possible on Ethereum? I'm Googling it. Only possible on Ethereum quote. Only possible on Ethereum. It wasn't a quote said by anybody. Only possible on Ethereum. Let's see. Only possible on Ethereum was something that was said from Vitalik's Beast Mode. What? CoinDesk? CoinDesk says 5 takeaways. Let's see. Let me see here, boys. Only possible on Ethereum. Developers will Ethereum will lose the ability to execute transactions atomically. Possible in Ethereum today? Nah, this ain't it. Something don't add up. What is only possible in Ethereum? What do you guys think? What's the Pepe Max transformed to? Max X? Yeah, Max X. Did you reach out to them? Coochie boy, did you reach out to them? I think they have Discord now, I believe. PPAP coin. Dude, something is going on with Ethereum and both Pepe based things. Let me just quickly check my watch list. Yeah, Pepper fell off because I saw Pepper disappeared. And then my degen list was Copium, which I think LP removed or very low LP. Actually, LP is in there, 8.3K. So I have enough LP to pull out. But unfortunately, I think we're below the price we got in. So not good. Not good indeed. I'm going to take this off our degen list. Damn it, Copium. Yes. I got the airdrop from that guy. Oh, okay. I know that guy, Terry. How is he? Is everything good? Okay, good. Yeah, how's the... Let's see. We'll go back to the filter just to check Pepcoin, Peppa. Dude, I kind of do want to get into Pepper again. Let me just do it. Just do it, Teddy. Yeah, he's awesome. Yeah, dude, he is awesome. We have gone through a lot with me and Terry there, so I completely know that feeling. Hey, we just skyrocketed up. Man, someone bought in 3 ETH twice. What the heck? Whale, man. This guy's a whale in Pepper. Imagine having 3 ETH to just ape in like that. I guess that's what these... Wait, what just happened? Oh, it redoes the animation. Unrealized. Dang, dude. How you have 1.6 ETH and he throws in 3 ETH like that? Yeah, he really did. Dang, this thing trades a lot. Fixed float, Teddy running 1 ETH, 1 ETH into the wallet, and from there he has now made it to quite some more. All derivatives, I'm just checking out what he's got. All right, there's nothing wrong with looking. There's nothing wrong with looking. It said he's a whale. There's nothing. Okay. I gotta stop reading the blockchain. Deck screener, where'd you go? There we are. Oh man, massive sells again. We're below the price we got in. No. All right. Fair enough. Let me go back. Let's see. Yeah, Popcorn, don't like it. 37K. Yeah, I guess let's add one of these. Which one? Is this like another BitBoy thing? I swear to God, if I find out this is another BitBoy thing, Critical Thinker, help me out. Why this one, man? Only possible on Ethereum. What's Vitalik doing? All right, we're gonna move over to Goon time, and as you guys know, this is your time. This is not my time. This is not for me. I'm only here looking pretty. This is your time, guys. If you have questions, you want to know something, you want me to look at a chart, you want my opinion on anything, now is the time. Otherwise, I go bye-bye. You don't see me again till Monday. Monday. I stream every day, Monday through Thursday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. You didn't see me yesterday because my wife's birthday, but almost every day I will be here. The goons know we are a strong goon gang. Come join us. There's only one way to grow, and that is by hitting that actually by smoking that like button and hitting that subscribe. So I'm gonna give it one more minute and I will be out of here. But before I do, let me just quickly check Dex tools because I heard there are things going on. Let me see. Bitcoin. Yeah, 13% up. Yep. So BTC, guys, which is the meme coin Bitcoin that's trading on Ethereum, is up from there. lower band, and we are now at that higher band. So shout out to those Bitcoin meme guys, man. Definitely seems like the LP is growing as the market cap grows. Mog PNDC. How has PNDC been doing? Pondcoin. Polly's gonna give me. We're gonna get it all back, Teddy. Don't you worry. Audit. See audit alert. Oh my god, what is? Ugh. I had this charted. I actually put levels on here for us, boys, and we dipped below the level I had put. And so we're headed to 6078. All right, we're going to make it all back. I'm just kidding. So my level of support turned resistance is at 5019. Okay. I mean, we're at 17. We'll see. Pond coin. Mog. Oh, I've seen so much things about Mog. Mong, bros. All these guys. Compound. $48. Wow, Compound has a real upswing, but I saw that on trending as well. Or was trending? I think this one was trending. Let's see. Yeah, Compound was number one. See that? There's something going on, guys. Someone knows something and they won't tell us. But guys, I need to go. I'm out of here. I will see you again Monday. Stay safe. Have a good weekend. Don't do anything crazy. If you have questions, I'm always available on Telegram. Come DM me there. There is no issues getting in touch with me. All right, guys. Goodbye. Stay safe. Stay strong. Don't get rug pulled. And most importantly, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get rapped, yeah. Don't get rapped, yeah. Don't get rapped, yeah. Don't get rapped, yeah. Get informed, get informed, get informed.